Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing two premium convertible laptops, the HP Spectre x360 versus the Asus ZenBook Flip 14, to see which one comes out on top in 2025. Both are designed for flexibility, power, and style, so let's dive in and see which one might be your next laptop. Let's start with the HP Spectre x360. This laptop is known for its premium build and sleek design. The Intel Core i7 13th Gen processor, paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensures that the Spectre x360 can handle everything from multitasking to demanding tasks. The 13.5-inch 3K OLED display delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it perfect for creatives who want sharp, accurate displays. The 360-degree hinge allows you to easily switch between laptop, tablet, tent, and media modes, giving you a lot of versatility. With up to 1 terabyte SSD, you have fast storage, and the Bang & Olufsen speakers offer immersive audio. The Windows 11 experience is smooth, and with up to 22 hours of battery life, you can rely on it for long sessions without constantly searching for a charger. Now, let's look at the Asus ZenBook Flip 14. The ZenBook Flip 14 is a premium convertible that's known for its performance and versatility. Powered by the Intel Core i7 13th Gen processor and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, it offers impressive performance for work, entertainment, and light gaming. The 14-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen provides great color accuracy and sharpness, while the 360-degree hinge allows you to rotate it into various modes just like the Spectre. The ZenBook Flip 14 also has up to 1 terabyte SSD for fast storage, and Windows 11 makes multitasking a breeze. The Harman Kardon speakers deliver great sound, and the device is MEAL STD 810G certified for durability, making it a good choice for those who want a laptop that can withstand a little extra wear and tear. So which one is right for you? The HP Spectre x360 offers a superior OLED display and longer battery life, making it perfect for creatives and those who need a reliable device on the go. The Asus ZenBook Flip 14, on the other hand, offers solid performance with a durable build and a full HD touchscreen, making it a great option for work and play with an added focus on portability and durability. Which one would you choose? The HP Spectre x360 for its stunning OLED display and all-day battery life, or the Asus ZenBook Flip 14 for its performance, portability, and durability? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more comparisons like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.